it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I am so happy. I just had the shopping experience of a lifetime. I just had so much fun. And can I just tell you, I spent less than $300. And wait till you see how much stuff I got. I went and did an outlet mall haul. So I am here in Florida for my husband's business, and guys, they have the most amazing outlet malls here in Florida. Oh, it's like you can't even. I would come on vacation to Florida just if you love to shop, if you love purses. But you know, anyhow, guys, they just have the best outlet malls. I mean, have you guys, if you've been to the Florida outlet malls, let me know down below if you've had the same experience like me. Wait till I show you everything I got. Yes, you're not gonna believe it. I've got purses, I've got everything for less than $300. Tons of makeup. I mean, it's crazy. So I think I spent like $280, believe it or not. So let's just dive right in and let me show you what I got in my outlet mall haul. I don't even know where to start. Should we start with the makeup? Should we start? Okay, let's just start with the makeup because it's right here. So I did go to the cosmetics company store. So I got a bunch of goodies there. I think I spent $45. They had MAC lipsticks, $5. Every color under the sun, every gorgeous color. These are not colors that, you know, are outdated or things like that. These are beautiful colors. $5. It's like, I'll be honest, I wish I got more. Maybe I'll go back because, you know, I don't know. I was a little bit like shocked. I was a little, you know, I don't need all the colors, to be honest. You know, so, but if you had somebody in your life that you know loves lipstick, that would definitely be amazing if you could go to cosmetic company store, and if you see those $5 MAC lipsticks, I mean, if you have a beauty lover in your life or yourself, oh my gosh, that would make an amazing gift. Stocking stuffers, you know. Anyway, this is the color I got. I got one of the $5 lipsticks and I already tried it on. It's so beautiful. It is this shade here. It's called Femme Dawn. It's 555. Oh, 555, that's a lucky number, angel number. Femme Mom Non. Okay, I'm gonna have to look that up. What does that mean? But beautiful nude, beige nude tone shade. It's so beautiful. I wish I would actually put it on right now to show you because it's stunning. And guys, I didn't get it, but if you love Tom Ford, they had Tom Ford makeup, the foundations, the eyeshadows, the bronzers, 80% off. It's like, you can't even imagine. So I did get this Saint Tropez body mist. This is a one night only body mist, so you spray it on, and that was $5. And then I got these Too Faced lashes, which I've never tried before, but they look so beautiful, so I figured I would give them a try. These were $5 as well. I mean, everything in the store was pretty much $5. I don't know why, but these look beautiful and glam and fluffy. I love the Too Faced packaging with the hearts. That's probably always, you know, I'm a sucker for hearts, so any kind of heart packaging, I'm like, gimme. So then I can't wait to try this. I would love to try this right now too. Too Faced Brow Shaper and Filler. They did have a tester out. It says it's 36-hour wear. I draw my brows on so much now, you guys. The whole thing, I have like zero brows, so the whole thing is, I need a lot of brow product is what I'm trying to say, because my brows are totally and completely drawn on. So here's this. I don't think they make this anymore. I've never heard of it. I don't know, have you guys heard of this? Pomade in a pencil, brow pencil from Too Faced. I'm obsessed with that Too Faced Fluff and Hold. And that's actually why I got this, because I ran out of Fluff and Hold, and I was like, maybe this will work like Fluff and Hold, because I'm definitely ordering another Fluff and Hold from Too Faced, because I've been using my other brow products and they're just not anywhere near as good. Like a brow gel to keep them in place, and I definitely, since I draw them, I need to keep everything in place, if you know what I mean. This is beautiful. It's very creamy. So actually, if I do go back to the mall, I probably won't, but I would stock up on this because this is good. This is really nice. It has an angled tip, creamy, and it just filled in those naked spots that I have, the bald spots, you know, where I have no brows. So this is very nice. I'm a sucker for Too Faced packaging again because it's pink, the heart. I love it. Well, I love Too Faced products. So many products from Too Faced are amazing. The concealer, the foundation, the brow products. So I'm very happy at what I got. And then I also got this. I didn't look at this yet, so we'll open it up together. This is a Bobbi Brown crushed liquid lip. And this one that I'm wearing right now is called West Coast Babe. So love this so much. It feels so good on your lips, so I'm really happy with that. I'm not sure, my camera just went off for a minute, so I'm not sure if I showed you guys this, but this one I picked up is called the Luxe Lip Color, and now it said it was a neutral rose, and it looked much pinker on the packaging, but when I opened it, it's much deeper and it looked more mauve to me. So actually I might return this because, believe it or not, this is so small, but this was actually the most expensive thing that I bought at the store. So I might actually return that, but anyway, or I'll save it for a giveaway. But anywho, beauties, now they also had it's called Bell's Outlet, and so I picked up some makeup there as well. They had some amazing makeup at that store. Also, everything $5. Actually, I think I got the Saint Tropez at Bell's, now that I'm looking at it. This probably came from Bell's. Now, they also had at Bell's, they had so much Vegan Beauty, Kat Von D Vegan Beauty makeup line. So I'm actually wearing the lashes already. I got a bunch of lashes from that line for $3. So these are really good too, because like I said, I'm wearing it right now. They're very comfy on the eye, popped on easily. Actually, I would definitely stock up on those, because these, I personally love it. It feels so good on my eyes, especially with my hooding. A lot of lashes turn wonky. So these feel so good. Hopefully they look good. Hopefully they're still, because you know what happens, guys, is like with the hooding, everything starts off wonderful, and then the hooding starts sinking into everything and it starts turning to something totally different. So anyway, guys, yeah, hopefully that's not happening. But this feels amazing. These lashes feel amazing. So anyway, I would definitely go back and pick up more of those. So then I also got at the Bell's Outlet the Shade and Light from KVD Beauty. This is a contour palette, so I figured I would pick this up also for $4. And I got something else. Oh, I got the face powder. I'm not sure where it is. I'm not sure where I put it, but also I did pick up this Rachel Roy. This is a collagen facial oil, so I'm really excited to try this. I'm very onto, like, more, doing, when you go outlet shopping, let's put it this way. Sometimes the makeup, if it's skincare products, definitely smell them before you purchase them, because a lot of them have gone bad, but this was not bad. It smells amazing, smells fresh. So I can't wait to use that. And that's pretty much all. I think that's all of the makeup that I got. Like I said, I did get the KVD Beauty face powder, but I'm not sure where I put that. It's here somewhere. Now here I went to the Bath and Body Works at the outlet mall. So I got a bunch of good stuff here. Also, this store, I don't feel like everything was on sale though. I don't know, but it must have been, but I don't know. They had all of the holiday scents out and holiday good, pretty things, and oh my god, it was so festive. So, and they had all of the holiday festivities and all the holiday festive scents and lotions and hand soaps, and oh my god, it was so nice. So I actually picked up this. This is the Warm Vanilla Sugar Moisturizing Body Wash. So I've never tried this, but I know yes, it smells so good. I've smelled this before. I can't wait to use this. And look how big. I'm so happy it's such a big size. It smells so good. And then I got this. This is one of the holiday scents. This is Vanilla Bean Noel Body Cream with shea butter and hyaluronic acid. So it says it has 24-hour moisture. It smells so good. This is the type of thing I like to put on my feet. I'm obsessed with my feet, guys, right? But I love to put a nice lotion on at night on my feet. So that's definitely what I'm going to use that for. And then I got this for the house. This is the Gingerbread Bakery Gentle Foaming Hand Soap with natural essential oils. I actually didn't smell this. I just purchased it for the color of the packaging because, I wanted to match my house. Oh, that smells so good. This smells truly like gingerbread cookies. Like fresh gingerbread cookies out of the oven. It smells so good. Wow. I'm so glad I got that because, like I said, I purchased that just for the color. But I know who knows what I was thinking, but I saw that color and I was like, oh, that's so pretty because it's, kind of goldish. And then I got this Snowflake Wallflower, which isn't it so pretty? I can't wait to use it. It's a, beautiful snowflake. And I got this, guys. I didn't know they made this. I'm so happy for the wallflower. I got strawberry snowflakes wallflower. Now, I'm obsessed with strawberry snowflakes. I have the hand soap. I actually bought so many. I went crazy. You know, for me, it's crazy. I usually don't buy multiples, but I bought like 10 of them at one time because they were very hard to get. And then one day I found them somewhere and I got so excited I bought every single one, and it was crazy. But now, I didn't know now, or they always did, I'm not sure, but they have room mist strawberry snowflake. I love the strawberry snowflake scent is what I'm trying to say. Have you guys ever smelled it? It smells so good. It smells like Nesquik strawberry milk. I mean, personally, I know that's not for everybody, but I think it smells so good. It's like vanilla and strawberry milk, Nesquik strawberry milk. I don't know why, it's just, and I love the pink. So I have all the hand soaps, although I've used them up now. It's been a year. That was last year, you guys. I will use them up. And now I'm so happy I got the room, you know, for the wallflower. So hopefully my whole house is gonna smell like strawberry milk. I can't wait. But anyway, this is it. I was gonna try to open it. I can't open it right now, but I want to smell it right now. It's really, you know, it's an addicting scent. So oh, here it is. I got a tweezer. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried strawberry stuff, because what happened, I don't know what happened. The first time I tried to get it, the girl was like, oh, it's sold out, you can't get it anywhere. And then it really was, though. It was very hard. I went to several, I couldn't get it online, so it was very hard to get it.
This actually smells amazing. When it's plugged in, it smells so good. So this is amazing.
Then let's see what else. Oh, I got a candle. Now, you guys are like, let me guess. What do I always just get this you know, I'm obsessed with vanilla scent. So I got look how pretty, the gold and green. Oh, it was so festive in there, you guys. I wish I could have got the whole store. Everything, you know, with the festivities and the colors and all that. Here, this one, vanilla bean. Oh, vanilla bean Noel. It's like vanilla with peppermint. Oh, it smells so good. I love the green and the gold and the beautiful colors. You know, well, you know I'm a makeup addict, so I love colors. So I love playing with colors, looking at colors. So that's everything I got. Yo, guys, look at this. I did go to the Coach outlet. OMG, you guys. They have, if you love Disney, they had the whole Coach Disney collection. These bags were so beautiful. I could have bought them all. but I'm not gonna do, you know, I don't buy a lot of stuff because I don't want to have clutter. I try not to buy what I have. If I have a certain style, I won't buy another one unless I sell the old one or something, you know, because I don't want to have too much of, you know. But I don't have anything like this, and I think it's so beautiful. And I really wanted this kind of bag. And look, guys, here it is. Okay, I think this is so gorgeous. Even my husband liked it, and even he gets mad at me sometimes when sometimes I buy Coach because they have amazing sales at the outlets, so sometimes you get a little crazy and then I don't really wear them that much. But no, this one, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. The quality of the leather, it's pebbled leather. I mean, Coach is amazing quality. It's like just such beautiful, stunning craftsmanship of the bags and the designs, and this bag is beautiful. Now, I was looking at getting a YSL bag, very similar, but I was like, what's the point, you know? This looks exactly like it, is what I'm trying to say. Black and gold hardware, the same look. It has a very long strap, so that's the look that I wanted, was an envelope kind of bag on a very long strap, which I don't have. I don't have an envelope bag. Technically, I don't really have an envelope bag. I don't have a black and gold envelope style bag. So I could not be happier. It's so soft, it's so supple. Look how beautiful. Oh, it looks like it'll fit a ton. You can wear this definitely crossbody, or like I showed on my shoulder. I'm excited to use this. I think it is absolutely stunning. It feels so good in my hand, and this was like $60, but original price, I'm not sure. Let me see the ticket and if there's a price in here. The original price was $250. So I don't know, guys, if you are interested. This is a beautiful bag. It's so supple. It feels incredible in your hand. It feels so luxurious. And the black and gold, the beautiful logo with the horse, I love that. You know, old time looks like. Oh, just gorgeous. The clasps on it. And then this is like the Chanel bag where you can wrap the strap around the inside, and then you can turn it into, you can make it shorter and shorter and shorter as you might want, and then you can turn it into like a very short shoulder bag. So let me see here if I can do that. But you know how that little bag under your arm look? You could do that if you just take the strap and just, you know, keep wrapping it around the inside. And then I might not have done that right, let's see. But then yeah, look at that. Then it's a handbag. Oh, this is so cute. I'm in love with this bag. Then you can also wear it under your arm like so. So this is, oh, I'm so happy with this. I am so, and it's very, it reminds me of very 80s Coach, you know. I don't know, it has like an 80s vibe to me, so which I love the 80s vibe. So this is beautiful. It reminds me of the 80s style, or is it 90s, 80s, 90s, late 80s, 90s, early 90s. Oh, I love it. And let me show you what else I got. I think this is so stunning. And this was, I think, $50. Oh my gosh. This is a Coach belt. Look at how beautiful this is. I hope you guys can see, but it's stunning. It's stunning. And guys, this is a small. This was originally $128. I got it for $50. And they do run large if you see them online, because I got a small. Usually I do wear a medium, but this fit me size small. So look at how beautiful. I'm like seriously in shock when I saw how beautiful this is. The leather smells incredible. It's such it's just such beautiful quality. It's this, I actually think it's better quality than Louis Vuitton for sure. It just feels amazing. It's just beautiful. Hopefully you can see that. Isn't that beautiful? This room, I just love it. Again, black and gold. Beautiful. I love how the logo's kind of abstract here, so you can't really see what it means or what it is. It smells so good. Wow, this is super, just amazing quality. Beautiful. And so that's everything I got at Coach. And then I did get, let me see here, I did get a few things at H&M. I got this beautiful blazer. It looks probably horrible right now. I guess it got wrinkled in the back. But here it is. Okay, it looks bad, right? Okay. It's gonna look good once I, you know, jazz it up, you know, steam it or whatnot. It's not that wrinkled actually, but I don't know. It's like an oversized blazer. I'm gonna wear that with, you know, an all black outfit. I can't wait. I'm just gonna throw that over it with my boots. And then I got this cute little skirt, plaid skirt, you know, for the fall, even though I'm in Florida, but you can still, it's a little cool here, so you can wear the fall, you still wear the fall styles, I guess, even though I'm at the beach. But, you know, I'll wear this beautiful little plaid skirt. Gotta steam that as well. And then I got this one here, this one, oh, this one definitely needs to be steamed. Look at that. Wow. So just a camel skirt. If anything, I'll definitely wear those when I get back to New York. I'm gonna wear them with leggings and the boots and all that good stuff. And you know, in the winter, well, you know, it's cold. It gets cold. It's cold here. So it is beach, but it gets cold. So, and then I got this. Oh, I didn't get to show you. I got this at the Belle's outlet also. Look at how cute. I thought this was the cutest thing ever. It's the plaid headband with pearls on it. Oh, so cute. It's like $2. And then you guys, I got this cute. This is also, sorry, everything's mixed up. But I got this also at the Belle's outlet. This is a Love Moschino top. So I figured this will look cute, you know, with whatever jeans. I'll tuck it into jeans and heels, and maybe some black jeans and heels. That was actually $20, so another amazing find. So that's everything I got today in my outlet mall haul. I had the time of my life, guys. Can you believe I got all of this stuff for less than $300? It was like $208, like I said before. And I just had so much fun. I hope that you guys get to go to an outlet mall soon, like this one, or like these ones in Florida, because they're just so much fun to shop and get so much stuff and for such amazing prices. So I had the time of my life. But anyway, beauties, Let me know how you guys are doing. I did want to have a pop-up giveaway today, so I'm going to be giving away a $25 Ulta or Sephora gift card. So just be a subscriber to take part in today's giveaway, and also comment hashtag GlamFam down below to be entered into the giveaway. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for coming and spending time with me today. I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.